hanging out in the Hack's kitchen. And I have hiccups. Yeah, so, oh god. I am at Hack's. Haven't had drinks in a while. Oh my goodness. I just started having some drinks earlier, and this is what happens. To me, anyway. Haven't had drinks in a while, now I have hiccups really, really badly, and I thought I'd share them with you all. Yeah, since I have them. So this video is basically just me hiccuping, so enjoy. Hiccups. Oh, Jesus Christ. Not until I open up my mouth, and then it sounds like that. It sounds louder when you open up your mouth. Watch, ready? Again. Oh god, I missed it. Alright, hang on. Feels stupid. There it goes. Oh my goodness, and that one came faster. Oh goodness. That's more. Oh. Okay, time. And I just got here. Oh goodness. Well, I'm not gonna make this video just about hiccuping. Actually, it's a lot easier to just go live, because that way I don't have to record this and then post it and then wait for it to upload. So it's just easier to just go live if I ever want to do videos. But I guess instead of making a video of me hiccuping, I'd like to tell everybody about my last post about how I quit working at the gym. I'm working out still, but I'm working here now, and I love it. Hiccups and all. Oh goodness. Oh my god. It's Sunday before Father's Day. Oh goodness. And I know a lot of girls in here have some daddies that they would want to see here. Oh god. Oh god. I hate hiccups. I haven't had them in years. That was me with my mouth closed. How many people can you say that to? How many women can say that? Oh, I hooked up with my mouth closed. Ha ha ha. Dirty joke. Oh god damn it, I can't stop. Boy, is there anyone out there today? Probably not, because it's a nice effing day outside. I don't blame you for not wanting to come here with my hiccups. But I know some of you love my hiccups. God damn it. it's time for work, so goodbye, people of the universe. That's my wave. Goodbye. How do I finish? Oh, there it is. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, hiccup, 1.